leaders of African and world football, including ours in Morocco, stepping up now to pass the trophy to the captain, Koulibaly, a man who is a part of a team that makes history and makes a statement out in Morocco after an unbelievable tournament. It's their second final in North Africa. 2 goals it is for them, led by 2 coaches now from Senegal, keeping in mind for Coach Thiaw, he has won the Chan tournament with Senegal. He's now led Senegal to the African champions in an AFCON that will see Mane alongside Koulibaly, but quite rightly Mane, especially after the drama of the evening, lift the trophy. And the 35th edition of Africa's premier international showpiece sees Senegal crowned African champions after drama, entertainment, and some lessons to be learned from just a life perspective at the end of it all. But what a showpiece, what a tournament it's been. And our hats off not only to them for winning this tournament, we also take our hats off to the nation of Morocco that's hosted an unbelievably good Cup of Nations, with those that have turned out, well, turning out to be over 1,200,000 all in all, an average of over 24,000, just under 25,000 a match. It's set the bar in as far as Africa Cup of Nations go, and Senegal are setting the bar in quality, in what African champions are made of, especially in having to dig deep. We take our hats off to the champions of Africa, Sadio Mane's Senegal.